Hello! Thanks for staying loyal to the SmartPredict channel. Today we are going to see how to use the data visualizer for your data exploration in 5 simple steps. First, create a new project in Manual Flow. Second, drag and drop your dataset into the Build workspace. Third, look for the data visualizer under the Control Modules drop-down list. Fourth, link the dataset to the data visualizer, then run the project. Fifth, open the data visualizer's menu and get to the Processing then Profiling tab. Notice that we can use the data visualizer to see the content of a dataset anywhere on the flowchart, and even after processing operations, just like with the data processor. You have now seen how to use the data visualizer to gain valuable insights from your data exploration. Now start using it to brilliantly present your reports. See you for the next videos!